How to fix Spotify not downloading music on Spotify. Today, guys, I have the solution how to fix this issue. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. So first you have to go and open settings of your phone. Then you go to apps or applications. Then here you will find all the applications that you have on your phone. You will search now just for Spotify. When you found Spotify, just open it like this and go to storage option, and then go to the last button, clear data, click OK and go back and click on first stop and click OK. And the last thing is going to Play Store and updating your TikTok, your Spotify again. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Do not forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.